In this tutorial, you will learn how to create a toggle group. First thing that you'll have to do is create a few toggles. So for this example, we will create 3, give them a position. And let's scale them to make them a little bit bigger. So by default, you will see that they will work individually. So what we want is when we click this one now, this one should automatically disable. So the way that we can do that is by creating an empty object and moving all of the toggles under the empty game object. Then you add the toggle group, and inside of the toggles you will have to assign the toggle group to this group. So this will give you the functionality that I just mentioned. Now it will act as a toggle group. And to use this toggle group, you can create a C# script which we will assign to the game object. So now in our script we will create a list of toggles. Which we will need to make public. Toggles. Then inside of Unity, we will assign all of our toggles. So let's add 3. Just to make it simple, I'll rename these toggle A, B, and C. C. And what we can now do is we can assign an event to these toggles. So if we use toggles for each, we can then say toggle dot on value changed, add a listener, and here we get the state, which will return true or false depending on the state of that specific toggle. And we can also print this. So we can also print the toggle here to identify which toggle was actually pressed. So once we now start our game and press the toggle, we should see which one is assigned inside of the console.